Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. Today I'm going to solve another exercise on CodingBat on Python and the Warmup1. Uh, Today's exercise is going to be Makes10. Let's see what it is and how we can possibly solve this question. So the question is given two integers a and b, and we want to return true if one of them is 10 or if the sum of them is 10. As you can see, we can possibly see the solution, but we don't want to see the solution because we want to solve it ourselves and see how we can possibly solve this. So return true if one of them is 10 or if the sum of them is 10. So we can possibly have an if statement to solve this, or we can possibly write it just with just a one-liner as a return statement. But let's do the two methods. So if it's equal, if one of them is equal to 10, okay, if a is equal to 10 or b is equal to 10, we want to return true, and then else, like else if, but in Python we use elif as a else if a plus b it's equal to 10, we still want to return true, and if anything otherwise we want to return false. This is the simplest way we can solve this question. Let's just double check. As we can see, we can solve this with this code. This is the most easiest way that we can possibly solve this. This would be our first method, and now let's comment this out and let's solve it with just a one-liner and see how we can possibly solve this. Okay, our second method could be our second method, it could be just by having a return statement, return a is equal to 10 or b is equal to 10. So if any of these statements is correct, it's going to return true, otherwise it's going to return false. Or if a plus b, it's equal to 10. So if a is equal to 10, it's going to return true. If b is equal to 10, it's going to return true. Or if the sum of these two is equal to 10, it's going to return true. Otherwise, it will return false. Let's see if this solution will also work out with this question. As you can see, this line of code, one-liner code, it could possibly solve this question. Please, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a like and comment below and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you and for watching this video.